Hello, this is DJ W, and I'm here at Cozumel, Mexico. It's a great place. Wonderful. Water, sand, boats. It's beautiful. You should have been here. Make sure you're here next year, all right? Beautiful, beautiful. That's all for now. Gotta handle my business.
Good morning. Oh my God, it's such a beautiful morning we have. And anyone that wants to come out and join us, it's such an honor to be here. Kendra and all of my brothers and sisters in Christ, we just want to thank you for such a celebrating time. The ship is awesome. All the food, all of the guests, everything was just beautiful. And I just want to say thank you and God bless.
What's up, everybody? Rodell in the ATL, hanging out in Cozumel, Mexico with the folks, cruising for Christ. Yup, enjoying ourselves. Our next stop will be Belize. Then we go on back to Cozumel, hang out a little while in Nassau. Why am I saying that? Because you should have been here. Get your enjoyment on as well. This is the place to be. You gotta get away sometime, get your mind right, you know what I'm saying? When you get back, you know how to be refreshed. Feeling this nice breeze going on here. God's great country is amazing. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you're on the boat next year for Cruising for Christ 4. Alright? Hollering at your boy Rodell in the ATL. Praise one.
Good, how are you?
How you been enjoying the Cruising for Christ?
Oh, I'm loving it. I'm having such a wonderful time. I met so many wonderful people, and it's just been pleasant from day one.
Hello.
So what you think about Cruising for Christ?
Remember that right there, baby?
Oh, put our shirt back on.
Yeah. I'll leave that down. Don't you joke like